There's something that is really happening, guys. Oh, I know. I don't know.
Hey guys, good morning. We have a package on the porch. The other day, Goliath Games asked if they could send us some games. So we said yes, and we'll see what we've got. Is there a mystery box in our dining room?
Yeah. It's opening.
I have no idea what's inside it. I hope it's for you. Trio hopes it's for him. He's getting so used to packages. Oh my gosh. What is it? What? Looks like there's a couple in there. What is it? Ooh, it's called Tumble.
Like that.
Try to keep the marbles from tumbling down. That looks fun.
Yeah.
Alright, what else do we got? Oh my goodness.
Yeah, well, look.
Careful of your arms, big girl.
What's that one?
Man, call out for kids. I remember playing that game.
I don't think I've ever played that game
Well,
before.
we'll have to teach Dad how to play it.
Yeah.
I never played it before.
No, to learn.
Hey, it's a jungle one, but it has dogs in it.
What? Hi, Lucy. Now she wants the box.
Ooh, look at that.
You can have it right after we're done unpackaging.
Then Lucy can jump in the
Turn
box.
around.
There's Lucy jumping in the box. Oh, and the dog wants the cat. Lucy! Hello!
That didn't work out so well, did it, Luce?
Ooh, what's that?
Sequence for kids.
Well, you asked for a game night, and I think we'll have a game day.
Yeah.
Fun, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do this.
It's kind of scary.
I watched it.
Oh, I got it.
The bar?
You turn it towards you. Really slowly. Oh no! Turn it.
Keep turning it. Those are yours now.
Yep.
Oh.
Okay. You can reach around here if you want. Alright, pull it out. Oh no, you got another one!
Ah!
There's something that is really happening, guys.
Dad thinks he really set me up here.
I don't know. Are you gonna get this?
Goodness. Okay, I can. The one I thought was good wasn't.
Don't touch. It's not your turn.
It's not your turn.
It's Mom's turn.
Oh no. Uh-oh. I can see a move.
Whoa! There they go!
So I definitely just lost.
You got some marbles. You got all of them.
All the marbles.
That's not even fair. We should play this game with like Skittles
Right?
and then eat them.
Yeah, we should play this game with like M&Ms.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We should buy lots of M&Ms for this game.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Dad got a...
I got one.
No, 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 no.
What do you think, Gator? You got this?
Okay.
Good
No
job.
way! Oh
Nice.
man.
I think so. That's only two.
I didn't know the marbles were enemies.
Alright, there's only two left.
Okay.
You want less marbles, so count. See how many marbles are in there.
1, 2, 3, 4.
How many are on this side?
1, 2, 3,
So which one's less?
3.
Okay, so pull that one out. give mommy the last 4.
That's really mean.
Strategy.
Alright, so this is it.
This is the end.
Last one.
You have too many marbles.
Yeah,
They
look
won't
at
even
this.
go
Just
in
so
the
many
door
they
again.
won't even go out.
So, one little fishy.
Alright, how many do we go? How many go in each spot?
4.
Alright. You counting out 4 of them?
Let's put them in the spot.
Okay, I am a Mr. Rhino. I am falling in this pool. I am in here. I'm a Mr. Dog.
Alright, count out 4 more.
I think this is 4.
Nope.
There you go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright,
Okay.
put them in the spot.
Oh, it's an elephant. Oh, green lions. Doesn't matter.
Alright, put them in the spot.
Slimy green lions.
A slimy green lion, really?
Oh, I know.
Alright, you guys are playing some Mancala for kids.
Mancala.
We're probably saying it wrong.
Oh,
Are you winning?
she is coming.
Do you have hiccups?
I'll put that one in there for you. Keep going. 1 in there. 1 in there. From
They're
this
supposed to
side.
be yellow lions, but the lions are green.
Stop.
Oh my goodness, really?
Keep going.
That's your problem.
Yeah. Oh my
The
goodness.
lions are the wrong color and you are just outraged.
Okay.
She's just gonna stare at the box.
I just lost.
Oh man, how does it feel to have lost?
It's okay.
Really? You just
Yeah.
slammed your hands on the table?
No, I just was putting my hands down.
I think
I
she's
won. I don't know. I'm not gonna show you the cards.
Good. Mom and Dad.
Gonna play zebra. Ha! Zelda the zebra.
That's awesome! Alright.
No,
Zelda.
not a whole lot of Z names out there, so.
Yeah.
Hey, what's the actress name is?
Olga.
Olga.
Okay.
It's really dark in here now.
Yeah, the sun just kind of went kind of up. Alright, Al, it's your turn.
Okay. Alligator. Alice.
Yeah, isn't that the start of your name?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Alice and an alligator.
Okay.
Alice.
Alice the alligator. Alright, put Alice down and put a chip on it. Don't
Don't show us your card.
put a blue chip on one of the alligators.
Nice.
Okay, I'm going to play. I was gonna do that.
Take a closer look.
Monty the Moose.
Monty.
There.
Okay, is it my turn?
Yep.
Oh, I got Willie the Wolf.
Aha.
La 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 la.
What's Mom gonna do?
I guess I'll play Monty the Moose.
Monty the Moose again.
Monty Moose. Monty Moose. Monty Moose.
I am going to play Henry the Hip Hop Anonymous.
Hip hop anonymous.
The hippopotamus.
A hippopotamus. I blocked Dad. I blocked him. I blocked him.
Alright guys.
Goodness.
Well, that's it.
Uh-oh.
I got the unicorn.
Oh no!
Me too. I got the unicorn.
Oh, Mom
I
just
win.
won. Oh, you're lucky because I was gonna block you next turn.
I won! How do you feel about that,
Wait.
Gator?
Yeah, you should have used that a long time
No,
ago.
but she didn't have 4 in a row, though.
I know.
I was looking for her.
Yeah,
How do you feel that you lost 2 games?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I'll survive.
Actually, we all won a game today.
Yeah, everybody won.
Everyone won a game.
Perfect.
How cool is that?
Oh, I have.
A fox.
Alright guys, I'm going to show you my project that I'm working on this spring. Always had problems with my backyard. It's very wet, it's very low. There's a lot of shade, so it's really hard to grow grass. So we get a ton of mud in the house from the dog. As you can see, he's already running around out here. We get a lot of mud in the house. Been trying to grow grass for the past 3 years and it really hasn't been working. Finally talked to someone about it, and a guy at one of our local stores, he gave me some tips for trying to get this thing started. So the first thing I did was put down gypsum. As you can see it, you can kind of see all the little pebbles that are on there. Fertilized with that. That's supposed to help the root system really get going fast. One of the things we did last fall was put in drain tile. So we put in a 6-inch drain tile and we let it over here to a basin. You can actually see it's already full of water. We've got the tile line runs into this basin to drain it in there, and then I have a pump that I put in. The ground's still a little frozen, so I haven't put the pump in yet, but once the ground thaws out a little bit, I'll put the pump in and then be able to draw the water out of there. Because like where I'm standing back here right now, last spring I would have been standing in water up to my shins at least. It was very deep, very wet. This is the first spring that I've actually been able to walk back here this early in the year. So I will keep you guys updated on how it turns out, if I can finally actually get a lawn this year. It would be really nice, right, Trio? Yeah?
Alright, guys, thanks for watching. We had so much fun today. What did we do?
We played some fun games, as you know, and
We got a box of 3 games. That was really nice.
yeah,
Thanks, Goliath Games, for sending us some free games to play.
yeah.
Yeah. You can see.
Thank you for sending us some fun games, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up
Yeah.
and subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe, not describe.
Subscribe to our channel.
And if you do describe our channel, I hope it's with kind words.
Yes.
We had fun today, didn't we?
Yeah.
And Dad's at work,
Yeah.
but that's okay.
Yeah.
We just had a pizza party. So, bye. Alright, bye, good night. We'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.